how do you simplify and make the fraction 5/12 into a decimal? So what, 5/12 as a decimal? So what I have to do is I would have to actually look at, I would have to, if I were to convert fractions to decimals, I would actually have to use, I'm using long division. So 5/12s, so 12s is going to be my, my divisor here, and 5 is going to be my dividend. I'm going to add some zeros here. And then we're simply just trying to find the quotient here, which is going to be our decimal, right? So 12 times what number is closest to 50? In this case here, 12 times 4 is 48, right? So 0.4. 12 times 4 is going to be 48. And then 50 minus 48 here is 2. Bring down the 0. 12 times what number is close to 20? Well, I can only put 1 of 12. So 20 minus 12 here is going to be 8. Bring down the 0 again. 12 times what number is close to 80? So I believe it's 6, because 6 times 12 is 72 here. 6 times 12 is 72. 80 minus 72 here is going to be 8. You can bring down another 0, and you're going to recognize that the 6 is going to be a repeating decimal. So in this case here, 5/12 as a decimal. So therefore is, so it's going to equal to 0.416, and this is going to be a repeating decimal here. So 0.416 repeating. So the 6 is going to the top. And as you can see, the solution is correct, 0.416. And the dots represent, the dots here represents that it's going to be a repeating decimal here. So the solution here is correct.